Hello my friends, ballers, basketball fans, I'm your coach Shubham. Today I'm gonna show you 3 shooting drills which help you on a basketball game. Because no strategy, tactic will work if your players are not skilled. So shooting nowadays is the main or I can say primary scoring option. Because today's basketball game are so different. Everyone want to shoot like Steph Curry. So yeah, I'm gonna help you to become a good shooter with good ball movement and some defense. So let's start. So this drill start with when player 1 goes to the basket and do a jump stop. Now he has option to take a shot or can pass to 4. When 5 contests his shot, 4 pass to 3 for a open 3-pointer. When he shoot, he go for a rebound. 4 will place here, 5 go there and 1 here. Okay. Now 3 pass to 2 and go back to the line. Now 2 also do the same drill. Goes to the basket, jump stop, pass to 5, 1 go here, 5 will pass to 4 do a 3-point shot, go for a rebound, 5 here, 1 here, 2 here, 4, pass to 3 and come back. This is a one drill, or I can say one shooting drill. This is my favorite shooting drill because in this drill you can have 3 scoring options. Number 1, 5 is your center, okay, and 2 is your shooting guard, 1 is your point guard, okay. This drill start when 5 pass to 2 and set a screen for 1. Now 1 take the screen and go for basket and 2 pass to 1. Now he can do a layup or a jump shot, okay. This is your one option, okay. Now let's see 5 like to do a post move, okay. Then we put 5 here and 1 here, 1 pass to 2 and put the screen for 5, and now 5 goes in, but he didn't drive, he want to do a post move because he want to do his sport skill in post move. So now 2 pass to 5, so he can do a post move like a hook shot or anything else, okay. This is a second option. Now third option I can say like this, okay. 5 pass to 2 and set a screen for 1. Now 1 goes in, but 2 didn't pass to 1. Instead of that, he dribble and come in this wing and take a 3-point shot. 1 fill his place, 2 go for the rebound, 1 come here, 2 pass to 5 and go there. So now you have 3 scoring opportunities, or I can say 3 options. 1 can do a layup or a jump shot, 5 can do a post move because he is a center, and 2 like to shoot a 3-pointer because he is a shooting guard. So this drill help both of 3 positions, your guard, your center and your shooting guard, okay. And this is the third drill, and in this drill you will do little bit of defense and some ball movement like give and go, cut and pass. It will help you. So the drill will start with this when 1 and 5, let's see one is your coach and he doing a zigzag, okay, and you defending him. Okay, now he passes you the ball and now you drive for a layup, okay, and then you pass the ball to 4 and defend his shot, and the same time 3 goes in and 4 pass the ball to 3 for a shot or a layup, okay. Now 3 pass to 1 and go to the line, 4 fill here, 5 fill here, the coach will back there. Now this is one turn and 1 do the same thing, zigzag defense, zigzag defense, zigzag defense, you know, the zigzag defense until the 3-point line come. He passed the ball to 1, now 1 do the same, drive in, layup or jump shot, his choice, pass to 3, contest his shot, 3 cut to the basket, 4 cut to the basket, 5 pass to 4 for a jump shot or for a layup. 5 come here, 4 come here, pass to 2, go to the line, coach here. So add this drill in your workout. It will help you to improve your shooting, little bit of defense, and your team chemistry will improve. Because the more drill you do with your teammates, the more comfortable you will become with each other and can play together. Because trusting your teammates in a basketball game is must. So do this drill and I will bring some more basketball stuff. So like and subscribe my channel if you are a basketball fan. Thank you.